Kailash Chavan. Today we will discuss about the electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is the branch of physical chemistry that deals with the relation between electric and chemical phenomenon. Electrochemistry means what? The relation between electrical and chemical energy are called as electrochemistry. Or we can say that the branch of chemistry that deals with the chemical changes produced by electricity. Due to electricity, we can see in the next slide. Due to electricity, the chemical changes are produced. Or we can say that electrochemistry is the study of chemical process that causes electron to move. This movement of electron is called as electricity. Or we can say that electrochemistry is the area of chemistry which is concerned with interconversion of chemical and electrical energy. हम इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री में क्या स्टडी करते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी की वजह से केमिकल एनर्जी में चेंजेस होता है या केमिकल एनर्जी की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में चेंजेस होता है. देयर इज अ चेंजेस इन इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी एंड केमिकल एनर्जी. वी कैन से शॉर्टली the movement of electron is called as electricity. Next, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो होने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? एक मीडियम चाहिए. उस मीडियम को हम क्या कहते हैं? कंडक्टर. व्हाट इज मीन बाय कंडक्टर? द सब्सटेंस, एनी सब्सटेंस दैट अलाउ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट टू पास थ्रू देम आर नोन एज कंडक्टर. ऐसा कोई सब्सटेंस जिसमें से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो हो उसे क्या कहते हैं? कंडक्टर. एनी सब्सटेंस दैट अलाउ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी करंट टू पास थ्रू देम आर कॉल्ड एज कंडक्टर. देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कंडक्टर, मेटेलिक कंडक्टर और इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक कंडक्टर. मेटेलिक कंडक्टर को अपन क्या कहते हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंडक्टर. वो कैन से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंडक्टर. एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक कंडक्टर आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. The substance which allow the electricity current to pass through them by the movement of electron are called as metallic conductor. Example, metals. Metallic conductors involve a direct flow of electron from one point to another point. We can say the conductor, the metallic conductor are also called as electronic conductor. In the conductor, the moment of electrons are occurred in metallic conductor. In all metal, there is some free electrons in their outermost shell, and these electrons are in conduction band and free to move. Hence, the flow of the electron are carried. Due to this flow of electron, the metallic conductors are also called as electronic conductors. The next one is that electrolytic conductors or electrolytes, the substance which allow the passage of electricity through their fused state or in aqueous solution and undergo chemical decomposition are called as electrolytic conductor. Example, aqueous solution of acid, bases, and in the electrolytic conduction, the conduction of electricity current by the movement of ions of electrolytes. In this type of conduction, the charge transfer occur in the form of movement of ion through molten electrolyte solution or aqueous solution. Electrolyte substances such as ionic salt, strong or weak acid, bases, and electrolytes. These dissociate into ions when dissolved in polar solvent such as water. The electrolytes are of two types. strong electrolytes and weak electrolytes. Firstly, we should know the what is electrolytes. The electrolytes means the conductivity of their aqueous solution are higher than that of water. These are called as electrolytes. Electrolytes म्हणजे काय? कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ एक्वेस सॉल्यूशन, कोई भी ऐसा एक्वेस सॉल्यूशन जिसकी कंडक्टिविटी वाटर से ज़्यादा हो, conductivity are higher than that of water. Such solution are called as electrolytes. Electrolytes conducts electricity in molten state when dissolved in water. Strong electrolytes. The electrolytes that completely dissociates or ionize into ions are called as strong electrolytes. Example: HCl, NaOH, K2SO4. As electrolytes, strong electrolytes are dissociates into a ion. In HCl solution, you can separate H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Weak electrolytes mean that the electrolytes that dissociate partially are called as weak electrolytes. Weak electrolytes are weak acid and weak bases. They dissociate a very small extent in aqueous solution and show its lower conductivity as compared to the strong electrolytes. Strong electrolytes are the solution of strong electrolytes exhibit high conductivity. Electrolysis. The process electrolysis. The process by which an electric current is passed through a substance to cause a chemical change. ऐसा the process by which an electric current is passed through a substance to cause a chemical changes. The chemical change is one in which the substance loses or gain an electron. We can see in the figure there is a connected of a battery to a solution which is a cathode and anodic. There is a electrolytes. Electrolysis is the process uses an apparatus consisting of positive and negative electrodes which are separated from each other in a solution. You can see in the figure there is a two electrodes, cathode and anode, which are separately from each other and connected to the battery. Electric current enters through the negatively charged electrodes, that is cathode. You can see in the figure the electricity is entered in the solution at a cathode, that is a negatively charged electrode. Positive charged part of the solution travels to the cathode combined with the electron and transferred into the neutral. After dissociation, the positively charged ions are go towards the negatively charged electrodes, that is cathode. The negatively charged part of the solution travels to the positively charged electrode, that is anode. We can see the positively charged electrode is the anode, and the negatively charged dissociated particles or dissociated ion comes towards the anode, and the solution becomes a neutral. Electrolysis. You can see in the figure the negatively charged particles are dissociated and comes towards the positively charged electrode, that is anode. The blue particles are the negatively charged particles and comes towards the anode. And that after dissociation, the positively charged particles are come towards the cathode. The red particles are the positively charged particles and come towards the cathode. Cathodes are the negative electrode. Cathodes are the negative electrode, and the anodes are the positive electrode. Now next, electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water requires an electrolyte species that is less easily oxidized and reduced than water to carry the current. There is a two electrode, that is anode and cathode. Always anode are oxidized. We can say shortly, we can remember the red cat and ox. Red cat and ox. रेड मीन्स रिडक्शन कहाँ, कैट पे. कहाँ रिडक्शन कहाँ होता है, कैट पे. कैट यानी कैथोड. एन मीन्स एनोड और एन ऑक्स मीन्स ऑक्सीडाइजेशन. You can see 2H2O are liquids and gas formation, oxygen gas are and hydrogen plus ions are dissociate. On negatively charged electrode, on cathode, 4H2O liquid plus 4 electron, 2H2 hydrogen gas are formation and 4 OH in aqueous. Electrolysis, next one is electrolysis of copper chloride. Electrolysis of copper chloride. Electrolysis of copper chloride. Copper chloride is split with an electrical current produced copper and chlorine gas. Chlorine gains electron, has an overall negative charge and becomes an anion which is attracted to the anode and positive electrodes. जो Cl आयन है वो कहाँ, एनोड की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा क्योंकि Cl आर निगेटिवली चार्जड एंड एनोड्स आर पॉजिटिवली चार्जड एंड Cu plus are attracts towards the negatively charged electrode, that is cathode. How electrolysis works? This is a cathode, negative electrodes, and second one is anode, positive electrode. A positive electrode anode attracts a negatively charged ion and cathodes are attracts positive charged ion. These cathodes, these electrons then provide the negative charge for the negative electrodes, that is cathode. The cation move towards the negatively charged electrodes, that is cathode. We have discussed they gain electron to become an electricity and neutral element. After attracts the positive charge, cathodes becomes a neutral. Anodes attracts a negatively charged ion. The electron from the anion then move along the circuit through the power source to the negative electrode. Anion move towards the positive electrodes. Anode attracts negative charged particles, that is anion, and they lose electron to become a neutral element. We can see in the figure, in the diagram, there is a left side are the anode, there is attached the blue green particles are the chlorine gas, and the copper metals are deposited at the cathode, that is it is a cathode, it is a negative electrode and copper chloride solution. This is the solutions are copper chloride solution. After dissociation, the copper's plus charged particles are deposited at cathode and the negatively charged chlorine gas are deposited at the anode. This is the electrolysis of copper chloride. Application of electrochemistry. The first application, energy source such as fuel, batteries, redox flow fuel solution. Second one is pollution control. Electrochemistry is used as a pollution control, that is metal recovery, recycle of chemicals. Electrochemistry, it is used as a sensors. Electrochemistry is applicated in the separation of salt, splitting, electrodialysis, and last one is the electrochemistry is applicable in inorganic synthesis, water electrolysis, aluminum refining, and metal extraction and refining. Electrochemistry is the water electrolysis. We have seen in the back slide. Hi, good morning everyone. This is Kailash Chavan.